Hi everyone! Today I'll be giving a simple explanation as to how you would use the quadratic formula. There are some key terms you need to know before applying the quadratic formula. First is the roots/zeros/solutions. These are all values of x that satisfy the equation. They have different names, but they all mean the same thing. Next is the discriminant. This is an expression found in the formula to find the amount of solutions. If the discriminant is greater than 0, there's 2 solutions. If the discriminant is 0, there's 1 solution. And if it's less than 0, there's no solutions. Next is a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is the format the question will arrive in. And next is, of course, the formula you use to solve the equation, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. Finally, we have the coefficients, a, b, and c. These are all important values you need to plug into the quadratic formula that you'll find from the equation. Let's use an example. Say you want to solve the equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. In this scenario, we know that a is 2, b is 3, and c is negative 2. Now we solve for the discriminant. We find it by using the expression b squared minus 4ac, which was found in the quadratic formula. By using the values we found from the equation, we substitute them in and find that the discriminant is 25. Our discriminant is greater than 0, so we'll have 2 solutions. Now we use the actual formula. Because we already found the discriminant, we can remove b squared minus 4ac from the equation and turn it into negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant divided by 2a. Let's remember that a is 2, b is 3, and c is negative 2. We plug in these values to the formula. After simplifying, we find that our first solution is 1/2. Keep in mind, for this first solution, we're adding the square root of the discriminant. In the second solution, we'll be subtracting. You'll notice that whenever the discriminant is equal to 0, you'll never have to add or subtract, and you'll find your one solution. To find the second solution, we use the same process that we used for the first one, except we subtract the square root of the discriminant instead of adding it. In the end, we learned how to use the quadratic formula, why the discriminant is necessary, and we found the 2 roots to our example problem. Thank you so much for watching, and comment for a part 2 if you want to know how to use the quadratic formula with a parabola.